Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Mummy.
I'm Eliza.
Or am I Eliza?
Your mummy. Hello Dave.
Dave's gone off to see Dad. Right, what are we doing today, Eliza?
We're doing the Lip Balm Studio. It says right here it also comes with a purse and 5 pots to decorate.
Wow.
You look at the back, there's so much to explore.
Let's hold it up to the camera. Do you want to tell us what's on the back?
So what's on the back is stickers, everything fun, lip gloss to do and have fun with pots. It's really cool, I love this. Okay guys, before we get started, you need to get that subscribe button down there, get that like button, hit it, smash it. Make sure you smash it 1,000 times. And make sure you watch my videos and subscribe. For Mom, what's your hashtag?
Hashtag Mom Life.
And if you're going for me, hashtag subscribe to Eliza's Dad. You need to do it.
I've undone the tape.
Okay, right. Cool.
Wow, look at all that.
We got some pots. We got some, what's that?
I think that's
Juicy flavoured tubes. And some glitter, some spoons, and some sponge, and a pot. And guys, I really like the bag, and I like the bag because it's pink.
And is it? Can you open it? Is it? Oh, that's got a nice little ring on it as well.
Wow, these stickers. One says wow too. Oh my god, unicorn!
I really like those lips. I think they're very cute because it's a lip balm.
Guys, I know some of you want to know how I laugh, so this is how I do it.
I was wondering if they were scratch and sniff stickers. They're not scratch and sniff stickers. Okay, and then these are our instructions. And we have them in Italian. Are you Italian?
No.
Spanish?
No.
German?
No.
French?
Bonjour.
Oh, okay, we can do
No.
the
I just started.
Okay.
We're English.
Okay, then we've got the English instructions right here.
Oh God.
So, it says here, safety first. Safety first.
Safety.
Wash hands before use. I did mine just before we started.
Did I?
Probably not.
Either it has to be the orange or yellow one. Guys, comment down below what's your favourite colour.
Okay.
Yellow, which I'm definitely going to use the yellow, that will match my pot. And we have purple and pink.
Wow. Got to decorate our pot. So
Alright, I'm going to get this one. Wait, first I'm going to go for the pink. And I don't. And okay, so I'm going to go for my pot. I got my love on it. And I got a beautiful sash round, and on the top there's a rainbow. I just take my rainbow off the top of the lid and replace it with a cherry. And put the rainbow at the bottom.
I love that with the rainbow and the love sign. That's beautiful. So. One. I'm going to say a few is 3.
Yeah, me too.
2, 3. There we go.
This is like the Num Nums lip gloss machine. That should be enough. And now I'm going to add some cherry. I'm going to put that in there. I'm definitely going to add lot. I'm going to add 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Disaster. 3-second light challenge. I want you to smash that like button in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. I just wanted to do that for fun. So now I'm going to start mixing mud around, swishing it, on the name. Is that a lot of glitter? Because I think it is. Is that a perfect amount of glitter?
I think that's going to be very glittery. I've just got a little bit of glitter.
Definitely made Francis lip gloss.
What flavour lip gloss did you make?
I made cherry.
I made cherry, grape and pineapple.
Smells gross.
Smell it.
Yeah, it doesn't smell like nothing. It smells like nothing.
Smells like nothing. And there's my lip gloss, and that's called the Mom Blends.
Oh god, it smells so good, mine does. Oh, you went in that. I saw you went in. No, I saw you. She went in, guys. Did you see that? Replay that clip. Alright then. You better put that on.
Oh, I'm going to put it on now. Oh, well, it says you've got to leave it in the fridge to set, so I'm going to put mine in the fridge to set now.
Stickering. Stickering right now. Stickering. Weird. I will say stickering. Amazing. Smells nice. There. Shut that up. Okay, beautiful. Put that down. I'm gonna add some purely pineapple. Let's see. Oh, that smells really nice. It actually smells like pineapple. Yeah. Yeah, I think I might make a yellowy, orangey, yellowy. Need some more orange because it's just going to be yellow, but I want it to be orange too. I did a lot of yellow, so I need to add some more orange. Looks really nice, doesn't it, guys? The pink. Add some pink. Oh god, that's a bit yellow. We got some purple glitter too. That's.
I think the yellow would be good with it.
Oh yeah.
I think it would be very pretty together.
Guys, you know what? I think I'm gonna make this. Okay.
Wow, that looks so pretty.
If you look green.
Yeah, I do.
Don't tell me that it's gonna be green glitter.
Look how it's
yeah, that ballerina music, nice. Not ballerina. How about we just add some nice music?
Okay. Let me add some music. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you see, I was trying to make the yin and yang signs.
It's like a hot. Don't worry.
Look at that. Some beauty, isn't it? Some pink block. I think I added too much pink, then I added too much purple. Now there should be
That looks beautiful, that does. That's the nicest one, yeah. So is this one going to be clear? Oh!
Wow, these are our cool ones. You get the one that you made. Which one did you make?
I made this amazing pot right here.
I'm gonna have a look at my first one now.
Is it set? Like, oh, so sparkly. Very pretty. Let me smell yours. Mmm, that's really nice smelling. So what do you think about these then, Eliza?
Great.
That's inside the purple pot.
That's a new one I made.
Wow, that is an amazing colour lip gloss. It looks sugar frosted.
Oh yeah.
Oh, she's so glittery. That is very pretty. Come on.
This is my clear one.
It just came out without scent, I think, with that one. I think the colour is in the glitter.
I didn't put scent.
That's what I mean, don't put
Yeah.
scent in, so it's just a glitter one. What did you think of all these?
I think this one was a nailed it. This has to be a little nailed it right here.
So you like the blue one, the one in the blue pot?
This is a nailed it.
And what do you think of this to your friends?
Well, I would recommend it, but I would recommend putting, I think the hard bit was because it was in the freezer for too long.
Oh, okay.
So, I mean the fridge, not freezer, the fridge for too long, so yeah.
Okay, so perhaps not putting it in the fridge then, perhaps.
Yeah, how about you just let it cool down?
But you liked it as a present, didn't
Yeah,
you?
I did.
Okay then.
Bye!
Thank you for watching.
Thank you! Bye! Do Eliza's world, go Eliza's world. Go to the Eliza's world, please. Go to the Eliza's world. So you can get some Eliza's world. We do crazy kits, we do slime, and we also do fun things too. Like lip balm and other crazy things that make you say wow! So guys, also make sure you check out all of our videos. Check out all of our videos, guys! Love you, bye! That was a good song, Mum. From now on, you need to put the at the end of each video. That's so nice. Guys, are you still watching me? Guys, why are you such creeps?